ABC Educational Channel. Today let's learn about fruits. This is an apple. Apple. This is an orange. Orange. This is a strawberry. Strawberry. This is a banana. Banana. This is a watermelon. Watermelon. This is a pineapple. Pineapple. These are grapes. Grapes. This is a kiwi. Kiwi. These are cherries. Cherries. This is a pear. Pear. This is a lemon. Lemon.
This is a lychee. Lychee.
This is a papaya. Papaya. This is a mango. Mango. This is an avocado. Avocado. This is a peach. Peach. This is a durian. Durian. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.